This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyajian. I'm Maria Pachurdiz. Thanks for joining us at xm.com. The war between the establishment on Wall Street and small-time investors is far from over, as not only are retail traders still betting against short sellers of GameStop and other Reddit favorites, but they are now moving into the commodities sphere. Silver has become the new target for Reddit traders after someone on the online forum posted that it was the biggest short squeeze in the world. The spot price of silver has shot up about 10% today, following 2 days of strong gains. A steadier mood lifted sentiment at the start of the new trading month. Asian shares had a solid session, taking their cues from an upward reversal in U.S. stock futures, while European bourses also opened firmly in the green. There's been a steady buildup of underlying worries in recent weeks about the outlook for the global economy. The latest vaccine trials, although encouraging, raised question marks about the long-term efficacy against new strains. Meanwhile, much of Europe remains under lockdown, and there is no clear timeline as to when those restrictions will be lifted. The European Union has fallen behind the vaccination race and is facing delays to the delivery of its vaccine doses. The UK, in comparison, has moved much more swiftly and has now immunized almost 9 million people. Hence, investors are more optimistic about the UK's outlook, and that is why the pound outperformed its peers in January. That trend certainly seems to be holding at the start of February, with cable edging towards 33-month highs. The euro, meanwhile, remains subdued, struggling to stay atop $1.21. But the growth jitters aren't confined to Europe, as the latest regional lockdowns in China may be dampening economic activity there after the manufacturing PMI slipped in January. However, a more pressing matter for the markets in the immediate term is likely to be the timing and size of the next fiscal stimulus package in the United States. President Biden is due to meet with Republican senators later today to discuss his $1.9 trillion relief plan. Republicans want to water this down to $600 billion, which would fall well short of both Democrats' and investors' expectations. The U.S. dollar was last trading slightly up on the day against a basket of currencies. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at xm.com.